So I made a video earlier and it got deleted. I don't know how, but this is my 78 Caprice Landau. I'm sorry it's kind of dark, but you can see I got 24 gold plated trim all around. I'm gonna do a day video too, but I just got so pissed off about my video was perfect and it got deleted. I really liked it. Gold handlebars, gold over here, gold over there. We got gold everywhere. Oh, hold on, my key's sticking. There we go. It's the gold factory. Those flow masters don't play. Those flow masters do not play. Oh boy. Let's see what we're working with under here. Mighty Max Anthrax. There you go, you see her, you know her. That's that 350. Full headers, full exhaust. You know what it do. You know what it does. 24 karat gold plated everywhere. Everywhere. It's a Landau. It's an aero coupe. Now here's the question of the day. As they say, will it burn rubber? Oh yeah. She'll burn her. She'll burn a little bit. Whew. Now watch me come up in some random person's driveway and reverse. That's what we do. That's how we do it around here. No, I'm just playing. You know, it's okay. I think their house got raided anyway, so I don't think anybody's living there right now. So that's alright. I don't think they'll get too upset. Let's turn one of them on, man. Can they see the gold? Can they see the gold package? It's getting too dark out here, y'all. I'm gonna have to reshoot this, but I'm gonna still upload this one. Because I'm so pissed about not being able to get my video up. Something's going up. It's going up and in. Oh, I might as well go on ahead and park her on inside. You know?